Have you noticed how cooking channels are blowing up on YouTube? These channels rake in millions of views, bringing in big earnings with recipes that people love to watch in their free time. Whether it's simple home cooking or fancy gourmet dishes, people can't get enough of these food videos. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a chef or even film your own cooking videos to start your own successful cooking channel. With AI tools and a few smart tricks, I'm going to show you how to create a cooking channel from scratch without stepping into a kitchen. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find popular cooking videos. Our first step is to find videos that people are already loving. Instead of creating cooking content from scratch, we'll use popular cooking videos from Chinese platforms like Kuaishou or Xiaohongshu. These platforms have millions of users and are filled with trending food videos that aren't seen by a lot of people outside of China. To start, download these apps or visit their websites and search for popular cooking videos. Once you find a recipe video with high views and engagement, you'll know it has potential. Step 2. Download the video. Next, we need to download the video you chose. To do this, copy the video link and head to any free online video downloader. There are plenty of websites that allow you to download videos directly from these apps. Just paste the link, hit download, and the video will be saved to your device. Now you've got a cooking video ready for your channel. Step 3. Generate a script. Now let's add a motivational touch to our video. We'll use ChatGPT to create a series of inspiring quotes or life lessons to complement the cooking visuals. Open ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Write 10 motivational quotes or life lessons." This is a great way to add some extra value to your video, giving viewers both delicious recipes and a dose of inspiration. These quotes can be displayed as text overlays or even read aloud as part of the narration. Depending on the length of your video, you can adjust the number of quotes you include. This added layer of positivity can make your video more engaging and memorable. This new approach incorporates the motivational quotes into the cooking video, giving viewers an inspiring experience along with the recipe content. Step 4. Create a voiceover. With our script in hand, let's move on to the voiceover. Instead of recording your own voice, you can use ElevenLabs, a free text-to-speech tool. ElevenLabs lets you convert text into natural-sounding voiceovers quickly and easily. Just paste your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice you like, and it will generate a clear, professional voiceover for your cooking video. Step 5. Edit your video. Now we're ready for the final step, editing. For this, CapCut is a fantastic tool. It's user-friendly, free, and has tons of features to make your video look professional. Open CapCut and import the cooking video you downloaded. Then, add the voiceover you created in ElevenLabs. After that, use CapCut's transitions and effects to make your video smooth and visually appealing. Now click on the video clip and increase its speed to match the length of the voiceover. After that, use CapCut's transitions and effects to make your video smooth and visually appealing. To add transition between the clips, split the video into 2 or 3 parts and place the suitable transition between them. You can also add captions, background music, and any other elements to give your video that extra polish. To add captions, click on this text button and then press the auto caption button. Choose the language and then click on Generate. Now adjust the font size and animations according to your need.
How do you work for something?
Now let's add some cool background music. Try to add copyright-free music from YouTube library. After that, decrease the volume of music and cut the excessive parts. Once everything looks good, export the video in high quality, and you're ready to upload it to your YouTube channel.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. It always seems impossible until it's done. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Your present circumstances don't determine where you can go. They merely determine where you start.
And that's it. You now have a complete cooking video ready to post without ever having to cook or film anything yourself. With these simple steps, finding a popular video, generating a script, adding a voiceover, and editing in CapCut, you can create cooking videos that people will love to watch, and who knows, this could be the start of a cooking channel that grows fast and makes money, just like the top channels out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you're ready to start your cooking channel. Good luck and happy cooking without cooking.